In this lesson, we're going to look at how to make your sprites a bit more interactive by doing some basic animation. So by now you should have your sprite and you should be ready to turn it into more of a cartoon to make it a bit more exciting for the audience. But first things first, how we animate sprites in Scratch is we switch costumes. Now to do this, you need to open up the menu with costumes. Have a look at this example. The first costume has the witch with her eyes closed, the second one has the eye open. So we click on the costume tab and then we bring up the menu for the different costumes. First thing we need to do is to actually copy your sprite multiple times depending on how many different parts or how many steps in your animation is going to be. This way you can start with the same sprite and modify it a little bit each time. When we edit it from each step, don't forget we can use the eyedropper tool to select the colour we want to make sure the colours match. And to actually change the costumes, we have a look in the Looks menu, and you'll see a tab saying Switch to Costume, and then you can select whichever costume you need. You place this costume in your script. If you have a look at this example, you can see where it is Switch to Costume, which one. We've also added a delay. Why do we add a delay? This is to make sure that the animation runs smoother. We also need to add another sprite. So we interact with our environment through our 5 senses: sight, touch, hearing, taste and smell. And we also use our brain. But unfortunately a computer doesn't have these, so we need to tell it what to sense. And if you look in the sense menu, we can say that if the sprite is touching sprite 2, then we can change the costume. The second sprite can also be taught to interact with the first one using the same commands. Don't forget, we need to have a reset as well. This can be done via a command, a direct command, or it can be done automatically. So when the left arrow is pressed in this one, it all reverts back to the original costumes and to the original position. So that's it. Enjoy animating your sprites.